In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your variable valve timing VVT solenoid exhaust side on a Toyota Sienna with a 3.5. So once you open the hood, we're going to take the engine cover off, and there's four like rubber bushing tabs. You're just going to grab firmly and pull up. Set it aside. And now we're going to locate the exhaust VVT solenoid, which is right here. It's on the exhaust side, and this is considered the intake side, which is on the intake. And this is the front bank, that's the rear bank. So we have a 10 millimeter head socket bolt. So it's a 6 millimeter bolt, 10 millimeter socket or wrench. We're going to disconnect it. Set it aside. And we're going to grab that connector. It's a little tab on it, push down, and just wiggle it off. And that's the tab right there. Now you can grab that solenoid. You might need a flat head screwdriver, something that you can use as a little pry and twist and spin. See if I can get in there. So we're going to take this harness out of the way. There's a little connector right here. Pull that ear tab and pull it up. Now you can slide this out the rest of the way. Now with a little bit of clean oil on my glove here, I'm just going to lubricate that O-ring so it guides in a lot easier. Just reverse the procedure. Goes in a little bit easier because it's not all dirty. And just move it back and forth like that till it seats. Just like that. Line it up. Get your bolt. Start it by hand. And we'll just get our 10 millimeter socket, 1/4 inch drive, and we're just going to snug it right up. Get your connector, line it up, and push till it clicks. Now we can put our harness back. It's locked in, and you're all set. Now you can reinstall the engine cover. You can feel it sit down in the groove of those 4 rubber grommets, and you just push firmly like that, and it's locked in. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.